Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and review of this smartphone video cage kit from Viewflex. Now just to set the record straight, they did send this to me to review. However, this is not a sponsored video, so I'm going to give you my honest opinion about this product and I'll let you know what I like and I don't like about this product. So this is the VF-VS03 model for this version of the smartphone video cage kit. It's the entry-level version that comes with the base level accessories to get you started, and it retails for about $59 on Amazon. If you want one for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link to it in the description section below. But let's go ahead and start by unboxing this to see what we get. This video cage has an integrated phone clamp that should work with most smartphone models. And because of the various mounting holes, you can potentially even use this cage with small or medium-sized cameras as well by using mounts which you can purchase separately. The hardware itself is packaged very securely in a foam cutout and comes with your typical inspection certification card, warranty card, and quick setup and user guide. Now you won't find much included, but what you will find is the pre-assembled video cage, which looks pretty awesome. It's got a black and red matte finish design, which I think is the only color option, and at first glance looks like it has plenty of options for expandability and customization. Now what's cool and unexpected is that it also comes with a Bluetooth remote, so you can remotely control your smartphone camera. So what's good about this cage first off is that it feels super durable, and it's made up of a heavy duty aluminum alloy material. The grips have this powdery coat finish to them, so it's not only comfortable to hold, but it's also pretty grippy. It's also got a number of both 1/4 and 3/8 threaded holes, so you can virtually screw in a large assortment of attachments and accessories. Not to mention also being able to mount this thing to a number of different tripods, stabilizers, and sliders. In addition to that, what's also useful about this is that it comes with a detachable Bluetooth remote, which can be mounted to the cage using the included holder for easy transportation and flexibility. Now, not many cages come with a remote that you can use to control your smartphone camera, and especially one that works with most, if not all, smartphones and hides away so easily. This cage has an adjustable stand which can accommodate most smartphones that are 2 to 4 inches in size, and it's also spring-loaded so you can easily attach and detach your smartphone. It's also very lightweight, making most video recording tasks simple and effortless. So as you can see, this cage holds my phone in place pretty well. And it does a good job even though there's a case on it. So with or without a case, I think it does a pretty good job of securing your phone. So the standard orientation when filming is in landscape mode. But what's good about this cage is that it allows you to film vertically as well. Since most people like to use their cell phones for selfies and other things like that. And what's good about this is it's got screw holes on each side, so you can also mount it in this position as well. It's a lot more sturdy when filming because you're gripping with 2 hands, whether it's in landscape mode or portrait mode. But I think for the price you do get a good quality product that's built well and it's very durable. And it also has accessories and endless expandable capabilities for a number of different shooting configurations. I'd say for $59 it's not a bad price to pay, and because of the build quality itself and the added Bluetooth controller, I definitely recommend this for anyone who wants to purchase this. Anyways, thanks for watching my quick review of the VF-VS03 smartphone video cage kit from Viewflex. If you enjoyed this video and want to support this channel, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Go ahead and also ring that bell icon while you're at it and leave me a message in the comment section below. Until next time, see ya.